In today's video, I'm going to teach you goal mapping with a Notion second brain. This approach turns big, long-term ambitions into clear, doable steps and keeps everything connected in one organized place. We'll use ideas from projects, areas, resources, archives, and GTD, or getting things done, to bring structure and calm to your planning. Start by laying out a simple hierarchy. Think of your life in broad areas, like health, career, finances, or learning. Under each area, you define long-term goals. From there, break those goals into one-year milestones, then 3-month objectives, 1-month targets, and finally the weekly tasks that move the needle. The power here is clarity. You can see how today's actions tie back to the bigger picture. Next, map your goals so the connections are visible. In Notion, that means linking related items so your daily task can show which project it supports, which goal that project serves, and which life area it ultimately improves. When you open a task, you'll understand the why behind the work, which boosts motivation and helps you prioritize. Turn goals into projects to make them manageable. A project is simply the container that organizes the steps required to achieve a result. Then, translate those steps into tasks you can complete in one sitting. Keep task names action-oriented and specific so there's no hesitation when you sit down to work. Build your second brain by capturing notes, ideas, and resources as you go. Articles, meeting notes, templates, and insights live in your knowledge hub. Link these resources to relevant projects and goals so information is exactly where you need it when you need it. You'll spend less time searching and more time doing. Anchor your day with a central dashboard. This daily view gathers your tasks, habits, and key metrics, and gives you space for quick reflections. A weekly planning page helps you review progress, set priorities, and adjust targets so you stay aligned with your milestones. Track your progress with simple visuals and metrics. Timelines show how initiatives unfold, and progress trackers keep your momentum visible. Define what success looks like for each goal so you can measure it and celebrate incremental wins. Finally, protect your focus with quick capture. When ideas or tasks pop up, drop them into an inbox without breaking your flow. Later, sort them into the right place and keep your system clean. With this setup, chaos turns into clarity, decision fatigue fades, and your daily work aligns with your long-term vision. You'll know what matters most, and you'll see it, every day, right inside Notion.